sees her step inside the iron gate with her red food bank voucher. Irene's an ordinary British person who's worked hard all her life, born in Manchester, spent her working life as a chambermaid in some of London's swishest hotels. Now she's 61, and she'd still be working except she's got severe arthritis in the spine, a faulty heart valve, and cancer in the bowel. Still, Mr. Osborne's government, cracking down on disability claimants, has found her fit for work. I don't know how, she says. There's not a lot left of me in my world, but to be honest, the problem is she's ordinary. She's one of the everyday millions who make up the fabric of our country, not a scrounger, perhaps even a striver, just a normal person with strengths and flaws. The problem is that this government, given the choice to help fellow millionaires grow richer or help ordinary people survive, has nailed its colours to the mast by choosing tax cuts for the rich. In just 10 days' time, from April the 1st, a whole new slew of new government cuts begins to line Britain. Being ordinary means bearing the brunt of austerity. It's a cruel April Fool's joke on people who did nothing to cause the financial crisis. Irene's one of the people that Osborne, wallpaper baronet, has referred to as sleeping off all a life of benefits. Irene admits she sleeps on the sofa a lot because of the cancer, mainly under a threadbare quilt that saves on the heating bill. She gets £60 a week in benefits. That's electricity, TV licence, gas, a catalogue for the very few clothes she buys new. She lives off toast and rice fried with onions. Her biggest treat is a £1.99 chicken that lasts for a few days. For now, the disability payments are suspended, awaiting the tribunal. Sometimes, she says, I dream of a leg of lamb. That's my biggest dream. Instead, her elderly mum is dying up in Manchester, and she tries to put away a pound here and there for the 5-hour coach trip. Things are about to get much worse for Irene, not just because she's awaiting her tribunal. The news on the cancer in her bowel on April the 1st benefits she already struggles to survive on face a 4% cut in real terms. Her council tax benefit will be cut by 10%. The benefit cap may see her thrown out of the home she lives in central London. Crisis loans, which she's relied on before, are being abolished and left at the discretion of cash-strapped local councils. Should she win back her right to disability benefits, she faces qualifying for a whole new scheme, personal independence payments. Still, she likes to look on the bright side. She says, at least I won't be paying the bedroom tax.
NBC 97.3.
We've all had one. A boss who wants one final change, then another, and another, and a final change. Naturally, you're not in the office. But with Office 365, you and your teams can work on whatever, whenever, wherever. So everyone's unique needs are met with just one solution. Now bring on the final changes. Microsoft Office 365. It's your complete office in the cloud. Find out more at office365.com. Terms and conditions apply.
Formula One is more than just a race. It's every innovation, every precious table save.
That's incredible.
Every setback,
Controlling the first turn already.
every leap forward, every flying lap,
Ferrari back on top.
every podium finish.
History is made in Formula One.
Sky Sports F1 HD. Every practice, every qualifying, and every race. Live. Find out more at sky.com/F1.
I'm Paul Deavin, CEO of WG Office Supplies. Let's face facts. UK businesses of all sizes are being forced to cut their spending in order to survive. If you're a company director with at least 20 staff, you could save up to 45% on your office supplies, print and furniture. And you could start making those savings within 48 hours. Apply for a free no obligation audit today at wgo.co.uk or text audit to 67777.
News headlines with Dan Whitehead. Chancellor will deliver the 2013 budget later and is expected to make more cuts to horizontal departments to try and boost the economy. Meanwhile, members of the largest civil service union in the UK will start a 24-hour strike this morning with protest in Westminster. The AA says
office from a top 10 firm. And Barnes Rowe's approach to client service is so refreshing. I love the personal contact and influence I have with my clients. For me, there's nothing better than seeing a client's business grow and knowing how we've helped that happen.
See how restructuring your tax affairs could help minimise your tax bills. Visit barnesrove.com/radio. Barnes Rove. Clever accountants for business. The big red building on Golders Green Road.
This is the massive winter sale at Gold's Factory Outlet. Quality men's designer suits all at huge discounts. Super 100 fabrics, canvas fronts, padded lapels, working buttonholes, lined trousers. Workmanship to match the very best in sizes 34 to 70-inch chest in all fittings up to king size. Alteration tailors on the premises. Over 5,000 suits, jackets and trousers in stock. Gold's Factory Outlet, 110 to 114 Golders Green Road. Open Sunday to Thursday 10 till 6, half day Friday, closed Saturday.
The big red building on Golders Green Road.
36 metres. Or 9 car lengths. That's roughly how far you'll travel if you're driving at 40 miles an hour, spot a hazard and need to stop. And that's if your reaction time is good. It tells you just how important it is to have a clear windscreen. At Autoglass, your safety is our priority. So right now we're giving away free Bosch wipers with front windscreen repairs and replacements. But you have to book before the 27th of March. So call 0800 234 234 or visit autoglass.co.uk. Free Bosch wipers? Now that's Autoglass.
Autoglass repair, Autoglass replace.
Terms and exclusions apply.
Join London's biggest conversation with Nick Ferrari at breakfast.
Working mums to get £1,200 per child. Liz Truss is Education and Childcare Minister and joins me now. How fair is it to penalise stay-at-home mums or dads?
We're not penalising them, as I said.
The payout, are they, Minister? Let's go to Rome. Hundreds of thousands of people in St. Peter's Square today to celebrate the inauguration of Pope Francis I.
The glad of the Pope will be occupied. He seems to have won over the hearts of people very, very quickly, I must say.
What truly ridiculous question you're being asked. Absolutely no relevance whatsoever to your local authority issue, central government, government department. Richard's in Chipstead. What was the question you were asked, Richard? Good morning.
Morning. A survey about moving fire engines around in Surrey. The question was, is my children now safe with weapons?
Nick Ferrari at breakfast. Breakfast Mornings.
LBC 97.3. 6:20. Trying to be cheerful about the weather and trying to make sure it doesn't really matter. It's freezing. It's typically cold outside here. It's freezing. But we like the temperature most certainly. You've got 10 minutes to go to get yourself your hands on my HTC microphones. They're keeping us a spare. So I'll leave the trip down to the line. You can see exactly what it looks like. Give you details in a few moments. And Nick Ferrari and the team say for budget day, you all want to know. And the only thing you want to know is that how much worse off you're going to be if you're a beer drinker. Apparently, you might doing quite well. Chancellor might scrap 6p rise on a pint of beer. Doesn't affect me in the slightest. I don't know how it works because a pint of beer is not a standard price. Wherever you go in the country, it's a different price. So it'll be cheaper in Liverpool than it is in London. And if you buy it in a London club, the price goes through the roof. The point is 6p off. Where is this mythical 6p off? I don't think it actually works like that, at least with petrol. You know, the prices are roughly the same. It doesn't, you know, it's like pure shortages. Why do they have the same rate in every single one of them? I don't. No, nobody wants to go buy and sort of use up your shops now. Because anybody, whenever I go to America, I've got a card. My card, I put it into the American machine and it gives me dollars. So much easier than going to a Purity Shops. I thought they were sort of things from a bygone era, I'm afraid. Scientists have taken a major step towards bringing an extinct species back to life, like in Jurassic Park. This is a frog, which apparently died out in 1983, but they've managed to find some frogs. They've managed to find this. I never quite understood Jurassic Park about taking out the DNA of animals. We have a T-Rex. We have a T-Rex. That was a very good idea. So this frog here, they're currently doing this experimentation in Washington, and they say it's the first time it's been done, and it could be really, really, really successful. So we keep our fingers crossed there. I see a warrant for the arrest of Leandro Penna has been issued the other day. Leandro Penna, of course, was Katie Price's ex, and he failed to show up for court hearings. He was due at Thames Magistrates Court, and the judge, Jane McIvor, Peter posted a clip online of himself pruning a tree with a chainsaw. Oh dear. I think he'll be going and there'll be contempt of court. Dreadful. Yesterday you were talking about Blue Peter. Did you ever get a Blue Peter badge this calendar? Never got it. I never applied for one actually. I did go down to watch the programme. It was one of the few live programmes on television where they couldn't keep the cats on the setting. You know, the first thing they say, welcome Blue Peter, da 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 da, and then the cats would go and shoot off set. So what they used to do, they put them on a cushion with an indentation and put food in the cushion. So the cat would eat it. The moment the titles would get the cats shot back to their baskets because they weren't looked after by they had a woman who looked after the cats for them. But Carol says I got one in 1963 for writing a poem about Petra the dog. I've still got it. Oh well, they get out gold Blue Peter badges, didn't they? For something. But the trouble is Blue Peter now is a shadow of its former self. It's come from a broom cupboard with Barney Haywood and some barking man woman who did a tightrope walk. That's all I know about them. In the early days, I thought it was a bit better actually. Steve, the irritating Anthea Turner and Barbie views makes even the Stepford wives look good, isn't it? Yes, it's interesting. I mean, she is Princess Tippy Toes. I don't know why she comes across as so patronising. Perhaps that's why you don't see her on television in this country, apart from the Dancing on Ice, where we all had to put up with that bozo Grant Balding, as named in the papers today. Oh, here's Cherie Blair is pictured in the paper today. She chairs her foundation for women. What sort of foundation? We've talked about foundations before. They're tax things, aren't they? You put all your money into a foundation and you give out to certain causes, but it comes with benefits. And here she is, spicing up the Centre for Empowering Females. She went to Gujarat, and apparently all the women looked at her with a shame. With a shame. I wasn't too sure if she was at all. I just thought it was a photo opportunity. She couldn't think of anything else, I'm afraid. There's a British tourist in the paper. She leapt out of a hotel to flee a rapist. It turns out she alleges to be the hotel manager. John Cleese says BBC comedy bosses are faulty. It's a play on faulty towers. And of course the BBC have just sold off Lonely Planet. They paid, I think, 130 million for it. They've just sold it for 80. They've lost a fortune. They've lost an absolute fortune. They've got rid of it because they never sort of did anything with it. And here's a picture of old David Beckham again. And very odd picture. He's first of all saying that they didn't use a double for his advert, and they're saying yes, we did. So somebody's telling porcupines somewhere along the way. I suspect lots of pictures of Russell Brand and Noel Gallagher, and also pictures of Peter Shilton. Apparently it's the coldest March since the Beatles LP 50 years ago. They're always trying to find something else. Ditch bingo. Benefits cut, ditch the cigs. Fury over advice to tenants. It's a housing firm telling council tenants to ditch satellite television, booze, fags and bingo if they want to keep their homes, which I think is quite serious. And Bill Roach, is he our weirdest celebrity since barking mad David Icke, who's in the papers? We've had Dan Quayle. Mel Gibson was quite clearly off his trolley, I'm afraid. And he believes God directs his behaviour. He said the Holy Ghost was working through me on this film, and I was just directing traffic.